diamond paint cats and dogs. I have a Dreamer's Design here, and let's see if I can show you the thumbnail, maybe. There's the thumbnail. Let's see if we can get it to at least do a little bit here. It is balcony with a view. I know, just does not want to focus, does it? Just my luck. Balcony with a View by David McLean, sorry. Design size is 80 by 60 centimeters or 31.5 by 23.6. Like I said, it's Dreamer's Designs. And let's see if we can do a show and tell. So we have our whited diamond paint on one side. This does have a handle on here for easy carry. And we have the features. It's sparkling diamonds with AB accents, legally licensed, full drills, soft canvas, lifetime warranty. This gives you discounts, directions on how to diamond paint, what is in the box, and let's open this baby up. Maybe. Okay. Box is empty. Set it aside. And let's move it down a little bit. There we go. And this comes in a nice soft bag. Let's open the bag. Maybe. There we go. There's beautiful canvas, all wrapped up in a nice pretty bow. And the canvas is oh so soft. Now this isn't going to probably be able to show you the whole thing because of it being so big. So here is the picture. Hopefully you can see that. It has 61 colors and it's an 80 by 60 centimeters, 61 colors. I probably already said that. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs and 2 diamond dust. This is going to be a fun one. So I haven't even had it already wrapped up here at the top. It gives you all the information that I just stated with a thumbnail. And then as you can see, the pretty drawing, and then here's your legend on this side. This is nice and thick, nice and sticky. I'm just going to try to do a slow view here because, yeah, it's big. I'm just going to do a slow view because you're not going to be able to see the whole canvas unless I do it this way. So very pretty. Can't wait to do it. Let's start here. It comes with your instructions, your thank you, your tips, instructions, 15% off, all the fun stuff. And then your cute little pouch with your tools. Let's see if I can get this opened. Okay, and then we have baggies, a multi-placer, another multi-placer, a squishky. We have wax. Remember to take the plastic off of it. And you've got 2 wax containers with each one thing of wax in it, a squishy, a straightener, the sharp tweezers, a single placer pen, a specialty pen, a pretty pink tray with a divider. These guys have a nice setup on their toolkits. And then this one here, all the pretty diamonds. And yeah, 61 of them to be exact. Okay, this does have the name of the drawing on the package that matches, of course, the drawing. And I bet you, oh cool, nope, it's going to rip. You put it right on the opening, and it's going to rip. And I don't want it to. Well, I guess I have no choice, but awesome. Still has the name. Okay, so we have some pretty colors. There's two 400s, threes, 310, threes, and 161. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these. They're different DMCs, aren't they? 334, 334, 335, 335, 335, 435, and then it goes to 436. And then these are pretty colors. I don't have no multis in this one. Nope. Next batch. Oh, we got. So far, I haven't seen any specials yet, but they are pretty, aren't they? Bright, bold, summer colors. Last ones that I had were all dark. So far, still no specialty drills. So we'll see when they pop up. This one's going to be a fun one. It'll be a minute. I got a couple projects going as it is. I don't have time to put any other projects up, but we will let people see these pretty ones. And these ones here, the final go. Okay, here's an AB. There's an AB, there's an AB, and there's an AB, there's an AB, and then these are the final two, the diamond dust. Okay. Let me get on here. We'll keep these ones out so I can show you where the special drills go. Somewhat get these back in the bag and move them out of our way. These out of our way. Sorry about the wiggling. Trying to get them out of our way here so we can see all the pretty sparkles. So, sorry. First one is number 55. which are in the flowers, in the sky, let's see where else. That looks it. Okay, then the next one, which is a lighter color, is where? In the sky here. Yep, and then this pretty orange color is in the flowers. Over here and up in there. Looks like all the flowers have all these special colors in it. Okay. And then we're on to this last, oh, nope, sorry. This one here is, yet again, in the flowers, in the sky, all sections of the sky over here. And then the last D is, the last AB is this pretty blue. And it is in the water here, over in here, and over in this section of the water here. And then this pretty red, which is a diamond dust, and then the green diamond dust are in the flowers, in the grass, in the plants, over here, up in here, up in here. So they're going to make sure the plants in the water sparkle. So that's going to be pretty. Very pretty. As I trip over the box that fell on my foot. Yeah. So yeah, this is going to be a really pretty one. Like I said, it's going to be hard to show you the whole thing. So let me scan it here. So up here on this side, you have your media. You have a legend. And then down here at the bottom, Dreamer's Design, Paint with Passion. Over here is your support, another legend, and then your thumbnail and the information on the drawing. So let me get rid of this. See here if we can. Yeah, it's too big, and I'm dropping everything left and right. So I hope you like this drawing, and please comment if you want to see anything more, and definitely we'll be doing a review on this one. This one here, like I said, right now I have three projects going, so I'm not going to be doing another big one right now. So please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.